I have summed up my entire life into 3 secrets that have helped me create this lifestyle, right? The number one secret is the add formula. Just add my add formula to your life, where ADD, add, stands for actions, decisions, and direction, right? It's very important to take actions and decisions in the right direction, in the vertical direction of growth. You may be, taking actions, but what if you are just going around and round a circle and reaching nowhere? So your direction of the effort that you put in is very important. It's very important to take actions and decisions and in the right direction, right? And the number two secret that I call is the 4A approach for super success in business. And these 4A stands for adaptability, ability, actionability, and accountability, right? So adaptability is how soon you can shift from one situation to another. Like in COVID timelines, it is how adaptable you are right now to make the necessary disruption in your life, because we are shifting to a new world, and new world means new rules, right? So how comfortable you are, or how easier it is for you to adapt to the changing environment, right? And ability, because a lot of things are changing around. The technology is changing, the world is growing at a rapid phase. All of us realize the need to skill ourselves with new age tools and solutions, right? So it's ability is what skills that you need right now to be able to thrive in your business. And just knowing, having enough knowledge is not going to take you anywhere, because it is very important to take actions and apply those learnings, because knowing is not doing, only doing is doing, right? And then accountability is such an important aspect of a world class entrepreneur, because when you take up entrepreneurship, you have a higher purpose. You are not just doing it for yourself, because there are employees, partners, vendors, suppliers, so many people who are dependent on you, right? So first it is your need, right? And then along with your need, if you are able to help people around you, and when you grow exponentially in your business, then you look at contributing to a larger society, to your city, to your country, and to the entire world, right? So once you become accountable to yourself, not only to yourself, to a mentor that you look up to, and to the people that you feel responsible for, that's where your growth happens. By your growth happens exponentially, and you become unstoppable. You can grow by leaps and bounds, because now you are looking and working towards a higher purpose, right? So I have applied all of this in my life, learning from super successful entrepreneurs worldwide, and that empowers me to operate like a world class entrepreneur, right? And the number three secret is my 8G network, okay, where this G stands for, this is my growth path, okay. G stands for give, okay, because when you truly give without any intention of what you will gain out of it, you actually gain, right? Because you are aligned to the laws of life. So give, gain, and when you start gaining, growth happens in your life, right? It is naturally flowing into your life. And then a phase comes in your life where you must express gratitude for whatever you have achieved, whoever has helped you achieve what you have achieved so far, right? So the first G is give, second G is gain, third G is growth, fourth G is gratitude, right? And when you are in that grateful mode, gratitude mode, God enters your life, okay. God, or the higher force, or the existential energy that exists, whatever you prefer to call, enters your life, okay, on its own, right? And then you realize your purpose on this planet, which I call, it's on this planet Gaia, it's called Gaia. Mother Earth is called Gaia, Gaia, right? So you are discovering yourself so that you should be able to contribute to Mother Earth, Gaia, right? And when you set those intentions of contribution, you become a very generous human being, where everything in your life is about giving, right? Giving unconditionally. You become compassionate, you become more loving, and that's how generosity, which is the seventh G, enters your life. And when you're able to do all of these, you unleash the greatness within. You unleash the greatness of being a human in this lifetime, right? So these are the 8 Gs. I will repeat the 8 Gs: give, gain, growth, gratitude, God, Gaia, generosity, and greatness. So I have summed up entire life learnings so far that I had into these 3 secrets that you can also apply and truly operate like a world-class entrepreneur in business and an entrepreneur of life, right? So as your profit and peace expert, profit, prosperity, and peace expert, I am on a mission to help you run your business like world-class entrepreneurs. Run it in a better way than you are doing now, so that you can grow exponentially first, and then by leaps and bounds. Depends on how far you want to go, right? Fill gaps in your processes so that you can make the most of what you have. I would also like to share my knowledge and deep business insights so that you can overcome obstacles that are stopping you to fulfill your revenue and growth potential